it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, we are going to be unboxing December's LookFantastic beauty box. So yes, we are unboxing December, the final beauty box of the year from LookFantastic. LookFantastic beauty box is, as it says, it is a beauty subscription box. In there we get 6 different products per month. LookFantastic tends to be quite skincare heavy. There's different ways of subscribing. You can subscribe for 12 months or just a month at a time. I'm going to have to remind myself of those prices because it's been a holiday since I've looked at these. So for 1 month at a time you will pay £15. If you want to subscribe for 3 months you will pay £14.50 per month. 6 months is £13.75 per month, or if you want to subscribe for 12 months, which is the one that I'm on, it will just cost you £13 per month. So this is this month's box. I don't know if I can remember anything about it. Did we have a sneak peek? Oh, did they do away with the booklets last month? Anyway, without further ado, let's open. Okay, so this month's box is red. And it's got gold writing, so it's a little bit Christmassy. A little bit. Well, it's like red and a wine colour, I suppose. Okay, so let's open. Let's see if we have a booklet. So, no, we don't have a booklet. We don't even have a little leaflet with a QR code on, I don't believe. Just our products. So I'll have to try and find information online to see if there is one. Okay, so let's have a quick little look at this month's products. And I'm going to investigate the cardboard box, see if there was a QR code in there. Nope. Oh, so the top of the box, which I do tend to forget to read sometimes, says, "Sparkle this festive season and have a very Merry Christmas with love from Team Beauty Box." So that's that. Let me see if I can find the information. Okay, it's not the usual booklet type of thing, but I have found a little bit of what's inside the box. So hopefully what I've found is what is actually inside this month's box. We shall see. So let's just dip in and I'll pick out a product at random. Okay, so first thing is first then, we've got an eye mask from Glove. I do like Glove. Let's see if it's on here. Obviously, of course it is not. Yeah, that's not inside this month's box. Oh, gosh. Okay, I'm really struggling to find the information about what's in this month's box. So I'm just going to talk you through them as I open them and give you just my thoughts and opinions. Firstly, that's rubbish. They should at least include like a little paper thing with a QR code. I'm just double checking it's not in there. No, a little QR code that links you to the booklet if they're not going to put that in, because that's frustrating. I suppose it's not looking good. I did say in my month's unboxings last month for both this and Glossy Box that this month was going to be the decider as to which one I kept, if any. So firstly, that's points against you, LookFantastic. Anyway, first product is from Glove. It is a satin sleeping eye mask. It says to sleep like a queen and wake up as a goddess. So that's nice. It feels lovely, actually. I don't tend to use an eye mask regularly. I do on occasion, but I mean, this is a very pretty one. I don't actually know how much light it wouldn't let through. It does seem quite pale and clear, but it does feel beautiful, so that's nice. And I have liked every Glove product that I've had previously, so. Okay, next, another gold product. I see they've gone for the golden Christmas theme. So this one is a Star Skin VIP The Gold Eye Revitalizing Luxury Gold Foil Eye Masks. So it looks like they will be gold. It's just standard eye mask instructions on the back, which of course you're not going to pick up. There we go. So I don't think it has any like big claims on the packaging other than obviously it's revitalizing, but obviously eye masks tend to do what eye masks tend to do. So can't tell you how much it's worth, can't tell you what it does. I suppose LookFantastic did do away with the pricing in the booklet, which annoyed me towards the beginning of this year, or was it the end of last year? And now they've done away with the booklet altogether. Okay, next we have a product from Hollywood Browser. and it looks like it's a hair removal and dermaplaning tool. So it says it shapes eyebrows, removes peach fuzz and removes hair and exfoliates. In there is one browser and there's also a protective pouch, apparently so. So the benefits of this supposedly are instantly reveals smooth radiant skin, makeup will have a flawless finish, and skincare penetrates more effectively. So I'll be honest, this is the type of product that I buy regularly. I usually get a pack of like 6 or 7 from Amazon for like £3. So this would have to be a hell of a good one to beat the fact that I can get it for so cheap, really. So it's something I'll definitely use, which is a plus, but yeah, well, I suppose I will definitely use the eye patch is also, so yeah. Okay, next, and it's a good one. We have a Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser from Elemis. I do like Elemis. Elemis are a fantastic brand, so any of these are always useful to have. I think we got recently the Pro Collagen Moisturizer in a beauty box. Was it LookFantastic? I think it was. So now we've got the cleanser, and that's, like I say, that's one that I will actually really enjoy using. I do like Elemis's brand, so, and have I used this before? Probably, let's be honest. So that's a good one, and it's not a cheap one, so that's good, that's good. Points to you, LookFantastic. Next then in the box we have a pencil of some sort. It's from Ico, and it is a Spotlight highlighter pencil in Pearl. Just like a little pale pearly colour. I feel like I got one of these recently. Was it in a glossy box maybe then? It's more of a golden one, I think, the one I had before. So it's just like a pearly highlighter. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, the lights are very bright. Can you see my highlighter? So I think these claim to be useful for kind of doing your brow bone or like the corner of your eye. So that's a useful thing I will use. It's quite pale, to be honest. So is it too pale for me? No, probably not. Probably if I'm just using it on them bits. But again, not something I necessarily needed because I do use my highlighter for all of those. Okay, our last product. Okay, it is an ombre blush from Lottie London. I definitely had one of these in the last few months of my boxes. Which one would it have been? Would it have been a LookFantastic? Okay, I think I actually got this from a glossy box, the exact same one a couple of months ago. I think it was a Ciate London one that I got that was quite similar from LookFantastic. So, it's not necessarily a colour that I use a lot, so this will probably go to somebody else or go in a giveaway. Okay, so thoughts. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not blown away. I always expect the Christmas one to be like an all singing, all dancing box, but it's not bad, to be fair. It's not bad. This I'm disappointed with. Had it recently. Isn't really a colour that I use regularly, so to have 2 of them, don't need. Highlighter. It's nice. It's a nice product. Ico aren't a bad brand, but it's not something that I need. So it's just like a little might I use it kind of bonus. Same with this thing, really. It's not something that I use, and you know, an eye mask is easy to chuck in. I much prefer having things like this for my eyes that I can just pop on as a little treat. So no, they will definitely get used. They are nice. This, like I say, I can get really cheap, so it'd have to be hella good to warrant, you know, moving on to that type of brand. So and this one I'm really happy with. This is a great product. So yeah, one product gets a 5 out of 5. You know, that will get a 3 or 4 out of 5 because I'll use it and I'll enjoy using it, and the rest are kind of 2s and 3s really for me if I'm gonna like rank them. Because like I say, have lots of these, don't really use this. Don't need, because I have highlighters by the plenty, and I already got one of them from a glossy box. That is the box, the final LookFantastic box of the year. Might it be my final box? Drop me a comment and let me know what you think of this month's box. Let me know what you think of LookFantastic as a subscription. Do you think I should keep it on? Do you think I should get rid? Is there another box you suggest that I should try instead? I do like the skincare heaviness of LookFantastic. Like I said, that Elemis is the highlight of this month's box for me. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, genuinely quite interested. Oh, hi Jake. So yes, do let me know what you think. That would be fantastic. LookFantastic. And if you've enjoyed today's video, guys, then please do me a favour and hit that like button, give me a huge thumbs up. That would be fantastic. And make sure you subscribe to my channel because I will also be doing a glossy box unboxing soon. There's lots of Disney vlogs coming if I haven't already started uploading those. There's a lot of footage on those. And tune in to find out whether I keep in my LookFantastic subscription. So yeah, make sure you subscribe for that. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Take care.